Hi, today I'd like to start with a very cool kind of gizmo. As usual, it is a handmade solution that you can make using all kinds of debris. This one doesn't look very safe, but it seems that it's still a prototype and it needs a little bit of improvement. You might as well ask yourself, what the hell is this thing anyway? Well, have a look at this. It's the ultimate pedal-based mechanical elevator. How about that? You'll need a couple of bars, of course, if you want to get high on this thing. So you press the pedal and it lifts you up. You twist the handle and it goes down. It's brilliant, and it works. It's not always comfortable to work alone, especially when it comes to assembling a ceiling. Although not in this case. So I thought about it, and the solution entered my mind by itself. Free your hands with these clamps, I thought. And there, heavy burden becomes a joy. And did you know that a scroll chuck could be used as a drilling machine vise? There's no trouble centering it. You just fix the rod in a chuck, and then you fix it by means of a specially adapted fixture. And here's a way you can sharpen knives pretty radically. It's a grinder fixed up on a stand. So all you gotta do is to make sure that you're at the right angle. But that's no problem, because you can always measure that manually. As you can see, it works pretty good. And you know how marking can be tricky when it comes to pipe jointing? There is a way, however, in which you can make things a lot more simple. So what you do is you put together some twigs and you just move them towards the junction point. And that's exactly how you get the proper cut contour. So then you move the twigs and do the marking. It's that simple. Okay, and so lastly, here's a very interesting and simple screwdriver or even a drill adjustment. So it's made of sanitary clamp and a grip. The bolt is screwed into the grip, and you can use this thing in a variety of different ways. Alright, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.